Hi there, Evan with Bluebird Exteriors here in Greeneville, Tennessee. Today we're doing a driveway cleaning. So I wanted to walk you through step by step our process for getting the driveway done. This applies to any concrete that we're doing around the home. As you can see, we just arrived here. We're getting some water for our pressure washer started. But this driveway is pretty dirty. We're gonna get this whole thing cleaned up all the way down. It goes pretty far down that way and over to the road. So we're gonna get all this cleaned up. First thing that we're gonna do is spray our cleaning product on here. I will show you that now. All right, so we're here, we're applying our product. We're applying this to loosen up the dirt so we don't have to use as much pressure or wash for as long. Makes it easier on us, faster, as well as better for the driveway. Using pressure on concrete will always take up little bits and pieces. It's inevitable. So we want to limit the amount of time that we have to do that. Obviously, it's just part of cleaning it. That's why we offer our maintenance service as well, so we don't have to pressure wash it every year, but we can just maintain a clean driveway using cleaning products instead of high pressure. It's better for the driveway. But we're going to be applying this to the whole entire length here, and then we're going to get started washing. You can see it's doing its work over here, bubbling up. Then we're going to be starting washing. All right, so we're here. This pressure wash. Got our surface cleaner going. See the difference. So what this allows us to do is we're not using a wand, so we're not going to end up with these stripes on the driveway. That happens a lot of times if somebody uses a wand to try to clean the concrete. It's going to clean evenly, clean quickly. But we got a lot to do. We're going to get to it. All right, so here we're on our final step. We've gotten up to there, all pressure washed. Looking pretty good here. Then we rinsed it. We rinsed it down, got all the loose debris off, and now we're adding our post treat. So very similar to what we applied in the first step. But what we're going to do is we're going to leave it actually on the concrete, and that is going to just kind of help it stay cleaner longer, and any algae growth that's maybe still on there, it's going to take care of it. And there you have it. It's coming close here to the end of the day. Large driveway project, but we got it done. Much, much better. Much better. Beautiful. There you go. So if you're needing your driveway or concrete cleaned, whatever it may be, feel free to give us a call, 423-657-0880. Bluebird Exteriors, again, serving Greeneville, Tennessee and surrounding areas. You can also visit our website to get a free quote, bluebirdexteriorsllc.com. All that info is down in the description. We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out. Your driveway can look as good as this one. Have a great day.